Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is me, your English instructor Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. Today we are going to be talking about Chat GPT, the topic we have been talking about from the last two videos. Number one part, if you haven't seen that, watch that first of all, which is about what is Chat GPT, how does it work, and its background and its competitive, which is Google's new Bard. And secondly, the second video that I created was about the benefits or the good points or the pros of Chat GPT. Today we are going to be talking about the cons or the bad points or the bad effects of Chat GPT that is going to be on us. Now first of all, listen to this. Chat GPT, while it is giving or while it is improving the work of people who consume it, but the people who give the work or the people whose wages it is, they are not getting worth of that. They don't get work anymore. Literally, like if you have the chance to give 10,000 rupees to a guy to make you a script, or would you rather go to Chat GPT who will give you a better script, a more longer script, a more interesting plot, and he will do it for free for you. But soon it will not be for free, but still, what would you choose? That person or him? Obviously, every single person would choose Chat GPT, but now there are some benefits we can take from it while its flaws are there. Now, if you watch Chat GPT can also give you some bad information because it is also new. It is new to the market. So Chat GPT is that generative technology that learns from you. So if you give it wrong information, so it will also give you wrong information. So if you watch, so there are mostly the top ranked or the top problems that any kind of job has in this field is number one, content creators, editors, online writers, or online any kind of content creators, as I said. And other than that, mainly any kind of field that you're from, you're done for, because technically it can take you from level 100 to level 0. Any illiterate man can write better essays than you with Chat GPT. If you give it to an illiterate man who doesn't know how to write a good essay, who learned how to write English, just tell him to write this in that keyboard, he will just write it for you, and he will make a better essay than you PhD. So then what is the difference, PhD or the person who is illiterate? There is no single difference. If you watch, everybody is on fire. Everybody is having the big problem in their mind. Now if you watch, if you are a content creator, you're done for. Why? Because all the content that you used to create, the script you used to create, every single thing that you wrote in the past now can be done by Chat GPT with a better plot, with a better plot armor, main character story, body, etc. Everything. If that's the novel or anything else. And if you talk about novels or if you talk about essays, etc., Chat GPT can do it like this for you. Meanwhile, you have to sit on the computer and write it for hours and hours. People do this a lot nowadays. Now what I did even this morning, if I had the chance, I would have simply just went to Chat GPT and just tell him to write an application for me, for example. Anything can be done with it. If you're a receptionist, your job is easier. If you're a writer, your job is easier. If you're any kind of worker, your job is easier and also more hard after Chat GPT, because it has some benefits and flaws. If you watch, Chat GPT is taking our jobs. So before it takes and goes with everything, it outrages into everything. Before that, we have some chances. And the greatest chance we have against Chat GPT is to use it. Now, for example, if there is any kind of person who doesn't know about Chat GPT, he can tell you, or if he can hire you to do the work for him. For example, if you're the only man working on Chat GPT, for example, if you're an editor, so you cannot work 24/7 to just question or to tell Chat GPT again and again. If you watch, Chat GPT needs you actually. Without you, Chat GPT can do nothing. Chat GPT itself doesn't create the essays for you. You have to give the command that which kind of essay, what about, what's it gonna be about, whom is it gonna be about. You have to give all the details, all the things and all the items to get a perfect essay. So technically, you're still in work. So you should take better benefits from it. Nowadays, people don't know about it. So if anybody is asking you for an essay, just tell him, yeah, I'll just do it. And just take some details from him. When you take the details, go to Chat GPT and write them. You will get a perfect essay and you will impress the person you're trying to hire and get some free money. So just like that, this is the flaws and these are some bad points of Chat GPT for today. And other than that, Chat GPT is a really good option. I would really recommend you people to go visit Chat GPT, use it a bit, and you people will understand why I recommend you people to use it as a source of income, to use it as a source of information, a source of anything. It is just like a sea. You can find anything inside of it, from fishes to crabs to anything. You can find anything. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for being with me, and in the next part I'm going to talk about Chat GPT versus Google. So be with me until the next video. Thank you so much for being with me, and Allah Hafiz.